The Sensivera, I think it's called. This group of plants, that popular snake plant is one of the member of this group. And earlier, when I researched about it, it is the center of diversity of that species is that genus is in Africa, Tanzania, and all. From there, it has come and their gardens people have used it extensively because it's easy to maintain and all. But subsequently, recently, I was told by one of the very bright this botanist of Bangalore area that in India also 5-6 species are there. So that was a new information for me. I didn't know. This one probably came from some nursery or somewhere. A few years back, I had bought few of these succulent plants in that COVID time, because in the COVID period we were locked up in our in this farm, my biodiversity garden place, and in the apartment in my apartment I had kept some of these succulents, and all the plants died. When I went back after about a month, everything had died except that succulents. So I thought, okay, succulent is something nice and a good plant for water shortage cities like Bangalore and all, where everyone is buying water in the truckloads. Entire city almost is surviving on tanker water. Unsustainable city. So anyway, this is probably from one of those, that is 5-6 years back. Anyway, now once again I started looking at the succulents, and this one is multiplied and all, and it opens up these leaves. Initially it is cylindrical and probably hollow inside here. Then and the later stage, as the leaf matures, it opens up like this you can see there. And even here, this leaf, it is opened. It is very fat and kind of succulent only. So here it is little bit opened, here it is fully opened, this one. And then the top leaf is like pointed. So this is one of them, with species names and all that, origin, everything I don't know. Since it's a new topic, now I want to start looking at the succulents, that euphorbia and all species and groups of genuses and all, which I had neglected earlier in my career in the field, going and looking at wild plants.